Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, we will write application to the principal for sick leave. So let's start. To the principal. Here you will write your school name. And then name of your city. Subject. Application. For sick leave. Respected sir, with due respect, I humbly state that I am not feeling well and unable to attend the school for 2 to 3 days. The doctor has advised me to complete rest. Therefore, kindly grant me leave for 3 days, that is, from 20th August 2025 to 22nd August 2025. I will be thankful for your kind consideration. Yours obediently, here you will write your name, your class and section, and then your roll number. Thanks for watching.